Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself inside a video. I was both nervous and excited when I prepared for my presentation. My dream is to be an English teacher, and my English skill proved a lot in this academy. I want to tell my mom and dad thank you and I love you. And it's time to start my presentation. Hello again everyone, I'm Unsa. Today's topic is the life of a plant. There are so many plants in our earth and we can see lots of plants in our lives. Today I'm going to talk about classifying plants. There are 3 ways to classify plants like this. First, we can classify plants to vascular and non-vascular plants. A vascular plant has tiny tubes in their leaves, stem, and roots that transport water or throughout its body, and these tubes are called a vascular system. However, some plants do not have a vascular system, and these plants are called a non-vascular plants. Without this system, all non-vascular plants must stay close to moist soil. They don't have tubes in their stem or leaves, so they soak up water like a sponge. Second, plants can be classified to deciduous and evergreen plants. Deciduous plants' leaves die every year in the winter and grow again in the spring. As a result, the oak leaves fall down every fall. However, there are a few plants that keep their leaves all year, and they are called evergreen plants. They can make their own food all year long. Third, plants can be classified to flowering and non-flowering plants. Flowering plants are plants that reproduce with flowers. On the other hand, plants that reproduce without flowers are called non-flowering plants. The example of non-flowering plants are conifers and spore producers. Last, I'm going to tell you how a little piece of grass makes its own food. First, carbon dioxide enters the bottom of its leaves from tiny holes called stomata. Water comes up from its roots through its vascular system. And when the sunset hits it, a chemical in its leaves called chlorophyll captures the energy. Those ways it can make its own food. The process of a plant making food is called photosynthesis. Today, I talked about the life of a plant. We have learned about classifying plants, haven't we? I hope you get lots of information from my presentation. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.